Hi guys, we received this TV stand for event purposes, and it has different connections to put your television on it and connect directly to the TV stand. So I think it's quite nice. So let's go and open it. And now it's ready. I have it already connected, as you can see. It looks really nice. I like it. It has a connection right here, so you can plug in whatever you want to plug in. Right now I've just got my Alexa connected, and as you can see, it works perfectly, and I can use it however I want. Like, Alexa, play some classical music.
Classical Essentials in Spotify.
Alexa, pause. So it's really nice. It's easy to assemble. The instructions are very clear, and I would really recommend it. It's really nice. I love it how the colors match the wood and the metallic design, and I like it a lot. See ya.